announcement today. He said that statehood will be restored, but on appropriate time.
As far as we are concerned, statehood is fine, but our main mudda is restoration of Article 370 and 35A, which has been given to us and it's enshrined in the Constitution of India, given to the people of Jammu and Kashmir through the Constituent Assembly of India, to the Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir, rectified by the Parliament of this country. Statehood is all right, but without 370 and 35A, I will request, and I will, through your channel, if I am talking directly to our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, Kashmir, Jammu and Ladakh is looking forward to restoration of 370 and 35A.
He said a lot of development has happened after 370 abrogation. What do you think about that?
Kashmir is much better developed than most of the country. And development is a separate issue. Our constitutional rights are a separate issue. And whatever we are talking about is under the parameters, within the parameters of the Constitution of India. And I will once again say that 370 and 35A will have to be restored at any cost.
Mr. Saab, he also said that two constitutions is not on one country. So how you see this angle?
Well, the country was there when neither I was born nor Amit Shah ji was born. And there were two constitutions there. And the people who made the constitution of this country, do you mean to tell me Shri Amit Shah ji is more constitutionally more aware or more expert than the ones who made the constitution of this country? Were they right, or our Amit Shah ji is right? Who is right? Is Sardar Patel correct? Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee? Or Gopalaswamy Iyengar? People like that who made the constitution of this country? I don't think that's the correct thing to say.
You think that necessary is statehood is necessary?
Yes, of course. You cannot break Jammu and Kashmir. One of the main factors behind the instrument of accession, what the Maharaja has explicitly, he has told you that you cannot touch three things. Number one, the constitution of my state. Number two, my flag. And number three, the boundaries. You cannot touch them. You cannot break Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh into two union territories. This is the oldest state of this subcontinent, this country. And between Ladakh and the people of Kashmir, there is a relationship which is as old as 1300 years. You cannot break that. And today, the voice is of all the three regions of the state that restore statehood and restore 370 and 35A as was guaranteed by the forefathers of the modern India, who gave the constitution to this country and the constitution to the state of Jammu and Kashmir.